Hello, I am so excited to finally be doing the unboxing of our welcome box for Senior Joy Box. With this is our first one to be going out here in November of 2025. However, this welcome box you can get at any time, and it can be in addition to a subscription, or it can just be a one-off box that you buy. So there's different prices based on how that works. Hopefully a lot of you have snagged this at the discounted price of $39.95 for being a founding member. But this box is awesome. It will be so great for anybody that you send it to year round. It really has like all the aspects of Senior Joy Box in it, where we want to be holistic and provide health options and something loving and meaningful, and really help you as the gift giver be like, yes, this is great every time. And I am so glad that we can trust the company and know that they're getting really great products. So let's get started with this opening. All right, so Senior Joy Box, when you get the box, you'll open it up, and inside you will see that it first says, "You are loved more than you know," which is really important for whoever is getting this to know that, right? Like, that's why we're sending these gifts to them. And then inside you will see the founder's card with a little letter and a list of all of the products that are in the box, as well as the retail price and a coupon code. So if they really like that product, they can go on and get that product at a discount through the company directly as well. And then a fun word search on the back as well called Bringing Joy, and a whole bunch of really fun, nice words there too. So that is first when they open it. And then you can see all the products. So let's go through what's in here. First, we have a really great tea towel called Flower Fields from Modern Sprout. It's botanically inspired. It feels really nice. It's just a great tea towel to always be using in the kitchen. Next is the elderberry Manuka drops for Manuka Health. And these are lozenges that they taste really great. They're elderberry, so they're all about immunity there with Manuka Health. So the immunity factor is really great, especially at cold times of year, but really anytime, right? We gotta keep our immunity strong. And the elderberry, they will just love that. And obviously we know that there's so many great benefits there. So the Manuka Health lozenges that you can take at any time of the day. And then for a fun, sweet, nostalgic option, there's the Caramel Tree Caramels. Now there are 5 different flavors of these that are still handmade by the owner here in America, and all 5 flavors are really great. This one that I have in my hand is the huckleberry, but there's the signature, there's chocolate, honey, sea salt. They're so good. So the whole point of this is that nostalgic feel when they're eating them, and just thinking back to memories of having caramels with your family and with grandma. So some really, really great caramels there. Then we have the Palm Lotion, and this is the probiotic hand balm. I did a great interview with the founder of this too, and just how incredible this hand balm is. I've been using it every day. I have it sitting next to my computer. It's really great for helping the elasticity in your skin and anti-aging effects of it as well. So it does have probiotics too to help with the bacteria that is on our hands. And it smells good. Did I mention that? They have this signature scent, and I think it smells like going to the spa, and it doesn't leave that like slimy feel on your hands or anything. Really, really great hand balm by Palm. And then lastly, in our unboxing here, is our Moments That Matter journal. So we actually created this ourselves at Senior Joy Box. So it's really special. I think it's really special, but it comes in this nice canvas bag that says Moments That Matter by Senior Joy Box on there. So of course you could use this bag for anything. And then the very nice journal inside with the vegan soft leather, and it is a guided reflection journal by Senior Joy Box. You can see that that's embossed in there in the gold. These pages in here, what I really love about it are how thick all these pages are. So it's really nice, really sturdy, really easy to write in, which is great. And at the top of every page is a prompt. So our hope with this is that people really use it, and it prompts them to think about past things, to have great memories, and to be able to share those memories. And even when you're going through this, when your loved one's going through this, to inspire them to reach out, to call, again, to make those connections through different generations and with the family, to bring connection, real human connection. For example, is what is one piece of advice you'd pass down to younger generations? Another one is who believed in you when you needed it most, and how did it feel? So a great journal, And there's a letter at the beginning as well from us that is why I was inspired. So this is the Moments That Matter journal. This retails at $48, and the whole box is over $100 worth of value. And this whole box altogether, buying it from us, is $49.95. So you get a ton of value. Your loved one is going to love it. They're gonna have health benefits and a nice thing to use there in the kitchen when they're having their tea or their coffee, some wonderful caramels, and of course the hand lotion as well. So a well-rounded box, great gift, and I hope that you love it as much as we do and that you're just really excited to pass it on to your loved one. All right, thank you so much.